Don't you call me up. I walk in divine love. Look at my artwork. My paintings are out of sight. I walk straight PBR. Now only one. Used to stare at the octopus. Now it's a waste of time. I like to party where orgies glow. Tell me, am I pretty? I can't see past my nose. There's a new show on Broadway, and we're the ones to know. Even if it's
for Mount Dungeon, specifically the interview part, because you've already watched some music, you at home, hopefully. Unless you're channel surfing and only now just came across that. I'm Matt Howard, this is Mount Dungeon, and I'm here with Birds on the Ground.
Yeah.
Go down the line and introduce yourselves.
I'm Amanda. I play keyboards and sing, and sometimes guitar. Who are you?
My name is Len, and I play guitar and sing and play keyboards and other things too.
I'm Tony. I'm the percussionist.
I'm Neil. I play bass and I like chorus pedals.
Birds on the Ground is a really interesting name. I was Googling your guys' name last night and inadvertently discovered that, as it turns out, the contemporary thinking amongst evolutionary biologists is that birds developed from ground-dwelling creatures, not tree-dwelling gliders, as was once thought. Do you guys have any comments on that?
Yeah, they used to be dinosaurs, and dinosaurs might have had downy feather on them.
T-Rex was a big chicken.
Yeah.
I
think that is awesome.
We have albums.
You guys, oh my God, they're so good. Where can somebody find some?
Both of these albums are available at Static Age downtown and at Harvest Records.
Oh my, are there any left?
Maybe. You guys have to hurry up, though, and get some.
Hurry! You gotta hurry.
You'll be all drowned out.
So, do you guys regret not having pursued a career in the circus and doing the whole high wire flying trapeze act thing instead of being a band?
Not at all.
Sometimes I have regrets.
Because, well, Amanda?
Okay, it was kind of traumatic. Well, Lyndon and I had like a unicycle trapeze act, and he would sit on my shoulders, and one time we just busted off, and then our net was totally broken, and we both fell to the ground. So this leg is actually a prosthetic, and so it's impossible for me to be in the circus now.
And I just couldn't
That's really tragic.
handle
Yeah,
going on without her.
I know. And so we decided to start a band to be together forever.
Okay, guys,
Yes.
this has been fantastic and fabulous. Thank you for coming on Mount Dungeon.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Thank you.